Hi everyone, I am Narsimha. In this video, we are going to create plant. Earlier videos, we created company and company code and purchase organization. In this video, we are going to create plant. At the time of your practice, I recommend to create two plants, not less than two and not more than two. Try to create two plants for your practice. After multiple practices, you can create more plants, but first time I suggested to create only two plants. In this video, I am going to create two plants. One plant is for Hyderabad, another plant is for Mumbai. For plant creation, we have a T code OX10. Please type your T code OX10 in your transactional box. Then click on enter in your keyboard. You will get this kind of interface. Then you need to click on new entry. Give your plant is 4. You can give plant up to 4 digits. You can give numbers, you can give letters, you can give both combinations also. My plant is SAHY. Then I am giving my plant description Samrat Enterprises Hyderabad. Then I am giving country code IN. Then city I am giving blank, factory calendar IN. My company is Indian based company, that's the reason I am giving Indian calendar. Click on enter, or else you are creating other country. Click on this small button, you will get countries list here. Based on your country, you can select your code, factory calendar code. Then click on enter. If you want to give more information, address and extra things, click on address tab. You can give address. I am selecting company, name is Samrat Enterprises Hyderabad. I am giving some random details, street number 123456, postal office, postal code and postal city, and country and region is for Telangana 36. I am giving some random details. You can also give your random details. In real time, you will get this all information from your client. No need to worry. Then click on OK. Then click on you enter in your keyboard. Then save it. Again, you will get same data. Then click on OK. You will get this kind of pop-up. Save it. My plant 1 is created. Then I will create plant 2. At the time of your practice also, please create plant 2 also. I will create my second plant through path. Path is here. If you want to take screenshot, please take it. Or else if you want these notes, please check out my complete videos. Then you will get this notes link in some random videos. Path is SPROIMG Enterprises Structure Define Logistics General. Define. Earlier company and company code we went through financial accounting. Per purchasing organization we went through material management, but for plant we need to go logistics general. Why? Because plant is a business unit, it comes under logistics scope. That's the reason we have to go logistics general. Type SPRO in transactional box, click on enter, then click on SAP reference, enterprises structure, define, logistics general, define plant. In my notes, after logistics general, I wrote copy delete, copy plant. It is works for ECC version, but in S4HANA you have to go define plant. Click on new entry. I am giving my plant to SAMI Samrat Enterprises, Mumbai. Mumbai. I'm giving factory calendar IN. Then click on enter. I want to give address details also. Then clicking address tab. I'm selecting title is company. Name is Samrat Enterprises Mumbai. And giving some random details. MUMBI Mumbai. Country code IN. Mumbai comes under Maharashtra. That's the reason you have to select Maharashtra region code. Maharashtra region code is 27. Postal box number 123456. I'm giving some random details. Again, I'm clicking on enter. I'm saving. Just click on OK. Just save it. Now I created two plants, SAMI and SAHY. If you want to search, click on position SAHY. SAHY Samrat Enterprises Hyderabad, Samrat Enterprises Mumbai. I have two plants now. Hope this video is useful for you. If you want to learn SAP, please subscribe the channel, click on bell icon, give your feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching.